በስመ አብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ አሐዱ አምላክ አሜን. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yetbarek, and in today's lesson we'll be going over the final paragraph in Yezewter Tselot, Salam Laki and Tselot እግዝእትነ ማርያም. Pay attention, close attention, to how the prayer is supposed to be said.
ሰላም ለኪ እንዘንሰግድ ንብለኪ ማርያም እምነ ናስተበቁዓኪ እምአርዌ ነዓዊ ተማህፀነ ብኪ በእንተ ሐና እምኪ ወኢያቄም አቡኪ ማህበረነ ዮም ድንግል ባረኪ ጸሎተ እግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ ተአብዮ ነፍስየ ለእግዚአብሔር ወትትሐሰይ መንፈስየ በአምላክየ ወመድኃኒየ እስመርየ ሕማማ ለአመቱ ናሁ እምይእዜሰ ያስተበጽኡኒ ኩሉ ትውልድ እስመ ገብረ ሊተ ኃይለ አብያተ ወቅዱስ ስሙ ወሳህሉኒ ለትውልደ ትውልድ ለእለ ይፈርህዎ ወገብረ ኃይለ በመዝራእቱ ወዘረዎሙ ለእለ አቢው ህሊናንቦሙ ወነሰቶሙ ለኃያላን መናብርቲሆሙ አእበዮሙ ለትሑታን ወአጽገቦሙ በረከቱ ለሩባን ወፈነዎሙ እራቆሙ ለብዑላን ወተወክፎ ለእስራኤል ቁሌሁ ወተዘከረ ሳህሎ ዘይቤሎሙ ለአበዊነ ለአብርሃም ወለዘሩ እስከ ለዓለም.
Now I'll be going over the intonations. Pay close attention to how the prayer is said. Salam laki nzanasagid liblaki Maryam እምነ ናስተበቁዓኪ እምአርዌ ነዓዊ ተማህፀነ ብኪ በእንተ ሐና እምኪ ወኢያቄም አቡኪ ማህበረነ ዮም ድንግል ባረኪ ጸሎተ እግዝእትነ ማርያም ድንግል ወላዲተ አምላክ ተአብዮ ነፍስየ ለእግዚአብሔር ወትትሐሰይ መንፈስየ በአምላክየ ወመድኃኒየ እስመርየ ሕማማ ለአመቱ ናሁ እምይእዜሰ ያስተበጽኡኒ ኩሉ ትውልድ እስመ ገብረ ሊተ ኃይለ አብያተ ወቅዱስ ስሙ ወሳህሉኒ ለትውልደ ትውልድ ለእለ ይፈርህዎ ወገብረ ኃይለ በመዝራእቱ ወዘረዎሙ ለእለ አቢው ህሊናንቦሙ ወነሰቶሙ ለኃያላን መናብርቲሆሙ አእበዮሙ ለትሑታን ወአጽገቦሙ በረከቱ ለርሁባን ወፈንዎሙ እራቆሙ ለብዑላን ወተወክፎ ለእስራኤል ቁሌሁ ወተዘከረ ሳህሎ ዘይቤሎሙ ለአበዊነ ለአብርሃም ወለዘሩ እስከ ለዓለም. Now that you have heard both ways of saying the prayer, I encourage you to first listen to the second one I said, the one with the intonations. Listen to that until you know which one goes up, which one goes down, and which one goes straight. Then you move on to the first recording, and then you continuously listen to that until you feel confident in yourself. I encourage you not only to do this for this paragraph, but to do it for all of them, since we have reached the end of Yezewter Tselot. So, I'll be recording a fixed version of some of the prayers that I've said, and then I'll be combining them into one video to put in all of the paragraphs that we have done in Yezewter Tselot, which includes the intonations and also when it is said normally, by nibab, or by reading. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time when we begin Wuddase Maryam, specifically Wuddase Maryam Monday.